Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. In today's video, what we're going to be talking about is the cryptocurrency by the name of Moonshot. So like and subscribe, strap yourself in, and let's get right into today's video. And now for the Moonshot's price live data rundown, I'm going to leave such an explanation to Ryan.
The live Moonshot price today is $6.94 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $2,715,699 US. Moonshot is up 39.58% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 2403 with a live market cap of $13,272 US and 78 cents. It has a circulating supply of 191,163,049,869 Moonshot coins and a maximum supply of 1.000000000 Moonshot coins. If you would like to know where to buy Moonshot, the top exchanges for trading in Moonshot are currently Bitmart and P2PB2B. Moonshot is a deflationary, self-regenerating automatic liquidity providing protocol that pays out static rewards to holders. As our burn address is in the list of holders, the total supply of Moonshot is forever decreasing. 4% of each transaction is distributed amongst Moonshot holders. This increases the incentive to hold the tokens in the wallets. When nobody is selling, the price could moon rocket. Wall Street bets won the fight against hedge funds. Just by buying and holding as the key to success. Every single Moonshot holder has an incentive to spread the use of Moonshot as much as possible. As more transactions take place in the network, the net worth of every individual increases as well. 6% of each transaction is automatically locked to the liquidity pool. This contributes to lower volatility and a continuously increasing price floor. LP tokens are locked for 3 years by the DXSale network. You can view our lock here fair distribution with no whales due to maximum of 2 BNB allocation per wallet.
And now for the price predictions of Moonshot. What will be the lowest price of Moonshot in the future? It's up to 0.000028 USD. What will be the highest price for Moonshot? It would be 0.00334. And what will be Moonshot's price increase in the future? Yes, Moonshot price will increase according to our predicted data in the future. Investment in Moonshot is profitable or will it be loss-making? Yes, Moonshot is a profitable investment based on our forecasting. Whether the price of Moonshot will be downward in future, no, Moonshot price will not be downward based on our estimated predictions. In 1 year from now, what will one Moonshot be worth? The price of one Moonshot can roughly be up to 0.0011 USD in 1 year times 2x nearly from the current Moonshot price. Where do I buy Moonshot? Well, I listed that early in the video. What will the Moonshot price be tomorrow? It's estimated to be up to 0.0004 USD tomorrow. So guys, I really do hope, if you want the full rundown of this, I can put the link in the description, or if you want it, just comment that you want it. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and grabbed something profitable from it. So let me know if you enjoy videos like this. I'll be happy to do more of these, and have a great day cryptoing. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. You know the whole 9 yards. And have a great day cryptoing. Whiteboard Wealth signing out.